Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest and important current affairs of 5 December 2020. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. National Affairs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses IIT 2020 Global Summit organized by Pan IIT USA. Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi addressed the IIT 2020 Global Summit. This summit was organized by Pan IIT USA. The theme of this year's summit is "The Future is Now." Discussions were held on global economy, technology, innovation, health, habitat conservation, and universal education. Pan IIT is an umbrella organization representing an alumni network, the Indian Institute of Technology system. International Affairs. Union Defence Ministry organizes webinar between India and Australia. Webinar was held between India and Australia with the theme of Indian Defence Industry Global Outreach for Collaborative Partnership, Webinar and Expo. It was held. It was organized under the aegis of Department of Defense Protection, Ministry of Defense. The objective of this webinar is to boost defense exports and achieve defense export target of 5 billion in the next 5 years. And more detail about Australia is the present Prime Minister of Australia is Scott Morrison and the capital is Canberra. State Affairs. International Sand Art Festival and Konark Festival 2020 held in Odisha. Konark Festival and the International Sand Art Festival was held in Odisha's Konark from December 1 to December 5. The 31st edition of the Konark Festival being organized by Odisha Tourism. International Sand Art Festival is being held at the Chandrabaha Beach, Konark, Odisha. The event will showcase the best of India's traditional and classical dance forms. And more about Odisha is, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar and the present governor is Ganeshi Lal. MOUs and Agreements. India and US inked MOU Intellectual Property Cooperation. India signed a Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, with the United States on intellectual property examination and protection. The MOU aims at increasing IP cooperation between the two countries. Both the countries will come up with a biennial work plan in order to implement the MOU to carry out cooperation activities. And more about US is, the capital of US is Washington and the president is Donald Trump. Appointments. Uday Shankar designated as FICCI president for 2020-2021. Uday Shankar has been designated as the president of FICCI, that is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, for the year of 2020-2021. He is currently serving as Walt Disney Company Asia Pacific President and Chairman of Star India and Walt Disney Company India. He has also served as the Chairman of FICCI's Media and Entertainment Committee. And more about FICCI is, it was founded on 1927 and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Summits and Conferences. 7th Joint Committee meeting between India and Mongolia held virtually. India-Mongolia's 7th meeting of Joint Committee on Cooperation was held through virtual mode. The meeting was between the Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar and L. Oyedene, the Chief Cabinet Secretary of Mongolia. Discussions were held on both nations' bilateral cooperations. India was also agreed to establish an Ayush information cell in Ulaanbaatar. And more about Mongolia is, the capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar and the present president is Khaltmaagin Batulga. Rankings and Reports. Fortune India 500 ranking 2020, it was topped by Reliance Industries. According to Fortune 500 list of Indian companies list 2020, RLI, which is known as Reliance Industries Limited, secured that top position. RIL is followed by Indian Oil Corporation and the third position is held by National Gas Corporation and the fourth position was given to State Bank of India and fifth spot secured by Bharat Petroleum Corporation. The list was published by Fortune India, which is a part of the Kolkata-based RP Sanjeev Kokne Group. The Ericsson Mobility Report 2020, 5G subscriptions will reach 3.5 billion in 2026. Ericsson Mobility Report 2020 was forecasted that 4 out of every 10 mobile subscriptions in 2026 will be 5G, and it will be globally, with 5G subscriptions forecast to reach 3.5 billion. Also, the report states that the LTE subscriptions are predicted to increase from 710 million to 820 million in 2026. And more about Ericsson is, the present CEO of Ericsson is Börje Ekholm, and the headquarters is located in Sweden. Awards. Indian school teacher Ranjit Singh Dasle wins Global Teacher Prize 2020. A Maharashtra government school teacher from Solpur has bagged the Global Teacher Prize 2020, which is worth of $1 million. He also introduced digital learning tools and QR coded textbooks. The Global Teacher Prize is awarded by the Varkey Foundation. Indian American teenager Geetanjali Rao named first ever Times Kid of the Year. Indian American inventor and scientist have been Geetanjali Rao, and she has been named as the first ever Times Kid of the Year. She got this recognition for her work using technology to tackle issues ranging from contaminated drinking water to opiate addiction and cyberbullying. She was selected from a field of more than 5,000 nominees as India's first ever Kid of the Year. Banking affairs. RBI monetary policy, repo rate unchanged at 4% and reverse repo rate at 3.35%. RBI, which was known as the Reserve Bank of India, has conducted its monetary policy committee meet. At the meet, the Reserve Bank of India has kept the repo rate unchanged at 4%. Repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends to banks. The reverse repo rate is to continue at 3.35%. The bank rate and the marginal standing facility will kept unchanged at 4.25%. The central bank also projected CBI inflation at 6.8% in third quarter of FY21, that is 2021 year. And more about RBI is, the present governor of RBI is Shaktinda Das, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, and RBI was founded on 1st April 1935 in Kolkata. Sports affairs. England cricketer David Marlin sets record by scoring highest ever rating points in T20. England's David Marlin has scored the highest ever rating points for batsmen in ICC Men's T20 player rankings in recently concluded T20 series. India's KL Rahul is at 4th position, while Virat Kohli's rank has dropped to 9th in this list. Babar Azam of Pakistan and Aaron Finch of Australia is 2nd and 3rd in the list. The next is obituaries. Olympic gold medalist athlete Rafer Johnson passes away. American decathlete Rafer Johnson has passed away. He was the winner of 1960's Olympic gold medal in decathlon. He had also won the National Decathlon Championship in 1957 and a silver medal at Melbourne Olympics in the same year. In 1955, he won a gold medal in Pan American Game and set a world record of 7,985 points. Important days. World Soil Day 2020 is celebrated on December 5. World Soil Day, which was known as WST, is held annually on 5th December to focus attention on the importance of healthy soil. This day was proclaimed by United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization. The theme of this year is Keep Soil Alive, Protect Soil Biodiversity. The main aim of this day is to raise awareness of the importance of maintaining healthy ecosystems. International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development, December 5. The International Volunteer Day is celebrated every year for economic and social development, commonly referred to as International Volunteer Day. This observance mandated by the UN General Assembly in 1985. This day offers an opportunity for volunteer involving organizations and individual volunteers to promote volunteerism. So these are the important and latest current affairs of 5th December. So if you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates.